Welcome! In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a 3D model using Genie AI inside the ARLOOPA Studio. First, we click Create New Experience and choose the type of AR content we want to build. Next, we select Genie from the options. Now it's time to describe what we want Genie to generate. Simply type your text prompt, choose between realistic or sculpture style, and hit Generate. Once your 3D model is ready, if you're happy with the shape, you can move on and apply textures to bring it to life. After that, we head into the ARLOOPA Studio editor, where we can fine-tune the model, adjusting its size, position, and rotation. Once you're done, hit Publish to launch your creation. Once published, your 3D model will automatically appear under the My Models category in the ARLOOPA app. You can view it there or simply scan the QR code visible in the studio to launch it in AR instantly. And that's it! Your AI-generated 3D model is now ready to be explored in augmented reality.